Small rifles pack big advantages, easy handling, lightweight, and surprising accuracy. Perfect for beginners, small game hunters, or anyone who values control and comfort, these compact rifles deliver far more than their size suggests. In this video, we break down the 5 best small rifles, chosen for reliability, precision, and everyday practicality. If you want a rifle that's simple to carry, fun to shoot, and effective in the field, this list is for you. Number 5. CMMG Banshee is a modern compact semi-automatic rifle platform offered in both pistol caliber and rifle caliber configurations that appeals to shooters who want versatility, great handling, and customization potential in a rugged short package firearm. Built around CMMG's quality engineering and reliable operating systems, the Banshee features a lightweight, free-float M-Low-Key or Key-Mod handguard, a cold hammer-forged barrel in rifle calibers, and a dependable fire control group, making it suitable for range fun, home defense, competition, and even hunting in calibers like 5.56 NATO Bosch 223 Rem, 300 Blackout, 7.62 Guaps 39, and others depending on the model. Pros of the CMMG Banshee include excellent ergonomics with a crisp, responsive trigger, very controllable recoil and handling due to its compact design, and a robust platform that accepts a wide array of accessories such as optics, lights, lasers, and grips thanks to its modular rail system. The Banshee is also known for strong reliability out of the box and smooth cycling in both pistol and rifle caliber variants, while the variety of barrel lengths and calibers lets shooters tailor the rifle to their specific use case. However, drawbacks exist, such as the fact that shorter barrels, especially on rifle calibers, result in reduced muzzle velocity and effective range compared to full-length rifles, and semi-automatic rifles like the Banshee require more maintenance and careful ammo selection than simple bolt-action platforms. Noise and blast can feel pronounced in pistol calibers or unsuppressed rifle builds, and the tactical modern styling is not suitable or legal for hunting in all jurisdictions. Another con is that the price can rise considerably once quality optics and accessories are added. The price of the CMMG Banshee typically ranges from about $900 to $1,600 depending on caliber, barrel length, and configuration. Overall, the CMMG Banshee is an excellent choice for shooters who prioritize modularity, compact size, and multi-purpose use in a semi-automatic platform, offering fun and practical performance for range days, defense, and tactical applications. Number 4. Bergara B14 is a precision-focused bolt-action rifle series built to deliver near-custom accuracy at a factory price, making it highly popular among hunters, long-range shooters, and precision rifle enthusiasts who want performance without stepping into full custom builds, featuring Bergara's renowned cold hammer-forged barrel technology, a smooth 2-lug bolt action with a coned bolt face for reliable feeding, and a solid receiver design compatible with Remington 700 pattern accessories. The B14 line includes multiple variants such as the Hunter, Ridge, HMR, and Wilderness models, allowing shooters to choose between lightweight hunting setups and heavier precision-oriented configurations. Pros of the Bergara B14 include outstanding out-of-box accuracy that frequently achieves sub-MOA performance with quality ammunition, exceptional barrel quality that rivals many high-end custom barrels, smooth and consistent bolt operation, and strong aftermarket compatibility that makes upgrading stocks, triggers, and mounts easy. The rifles also feature robust construction and reliable performance in harsh weather, giving hunters and shooters confidence in real-world conditions. However, there are some drawbacks depending on configuration, as many B14 models are heavier than traditional hunting rifles, which can be noticeable during long hikes or mountain hunts, and the factory stocks, while solid, often lack advanced adjustability unless stepping up to HMR or chassis-style variants. Additionally, the rifles lean more toward function than flashy aesthetics, and premium variants can become costly when compared to entry-level bolt guns. Another con is that recoil management relies largely on rifle weight unless equipped with a brake or suppressor. The price of the Bergara B14 typically ranges from about $650 to $1,100, depending on the specific model, stock type, and barrel configuration. Overall, the Bergara B14 is an excellent choice for shooters who prioritize accuracy, barrel quality, and long-term upgrade potential, offering near-custom performance and reliability while balancing cost, precision, and versatility across hunting and long-range applications. Number 3. SIG Sauer MCX Spear LT Rattler is a compact, high-performance evolution of the MCX platform designed for shooters who demand extreme maneuverability, modularity, and reliability in a modern semi-automatic rifle, featuring SIG's short-stroke gas piston system that allows the rifle to run cleaner and more reliably than traditional direct impingement designs while supporting folding stocks and suppressor use without modification. The Rattler variant is optimized for ultra-short barrels, commonly chambered in .300 AAC blackout or 5.56 NATO, making it especially effective for close-quarters use, suppressed shooting, and vehicle or urban environments. Pros of the MCX Spear LT. Rattler include excellent reliability across a wide range of ammunition, smooth recoil impulse thanks to the piston system, outstanding build quality with ambidextrous controls throughout, and exceptional modularity that allows users to swap barrels, handguards, and calibers with relative ease. The compact size makes it incredibly fast handling, and suppressor performance, particularly in .300 blackout, is among the best in its class. Additionally, the rifle's free-floating M-LOK handguard, flat shooting accuracy for its barrel length, and premium trigger contribute to strong real-world performance for defense, duty, and advanced training roles. However, there are notable drawbacks, as the short barrel limits velocity and effective range compared to full-length rifles, muzzle blast and noise are significant when unsuppressed, and the platform is heavier than many AR-style carbines of similar size. Furthermore, the MCX system uses proprietary parts, limiting compatibility with standard AR components, and maintenance costs can be higher. Another con is the premium pricing, especially once optics and accessories are added. The price of the SIG Sauer MCX Spear LT Rattler typically ranges from about $2,800 to $3,300, depending on configuration and market availability. Overall, the MCX Spear LT Rattler is an elite-tier firearm for shooters who prioritize compact size, suppressor performance, and military-grade engineering, valuing cutting-edge capability and reliability over affordability and long-range performance. Number 2, Ruger 10/22 Takedown is a highly versatile and compact semi-automatic rimfire rifle designed for shooters who value portability, reliability, and endless customization, building on the legendary 10/22 platform while adding a simple takedown mechanism that allows the rifle to separate into two halves for easy transport and storage. Chambered in .22 LR, it features Ruger's proven blowback action, a cold hammer-forged barrel, and a durable synthetic or wood stock depending on configuration, making it suitable for plinking, small game hunting, training, and survival or backpacking use. Pros of the Ruger 10/22 Takedown include exceptional reliability with a wide range of .22 LR ammunition, very low recoil and noise that make it ideal for beginners and experienced shooters alike, excellent accuracy for a rimfire semi-auto often capable of 1 to 2 MOA at practical distances, and unmatched aftermarket support, with countless options for stocks, triggers, barrels, optics mounts, and accessories. The takedown system is quick and repeatable, maintaining good zero retention while allowing the rifle to fit easily into a backpack or case. The lightweight design also makes it comfortable to carry all day, and the 10-round rotary magazine is extremely reliable and flush-fitting. However, there are some drawbacks, as the takedown version is more expensive than the standard 10/22, and while accuracy is good, it does not typically match bolt-action rimfire rifles for precision. Additionally, the factory trigger is serviceable but somewhat heavy, and the takedown mechanism introduces another point that must be kept clean and properly adjusted for best consistency. Another con is that rimfire ammunition can be inconsistent depending on brand and lot. The price of the Ruger 10/22 Takedown typically ranges from about $500 to $650, depending on stock material and configuration. Overall, the Ruger 10/22 Takedown is an outstanding choice for shooters who want a compact, reliable, and endlessly customizable .22 rifle, prioritizing portability, fun, and versatility over ultimate precision. Number 1. Henry All-Weather Lever Action is a modernized take on the classic American lever gun, designed for hunters and shooters who want traditional handling combined with excellent resistance to harsh weather, featuring a hard chrome-plated steel receiver and barrel paired with rugged black synthetic furniture that shrugs off rain, snow, mud, and humidity far better than blued steel and walnut. Commonly chambered in popular cartridges such as .30-30 Winchester, 570 Government, and .357 Magnum, it retains Henry's smooth lever action and side-loading gate on newer models, while maintaining a tubular magazine that feeds reliably in demanding field conditions. Pros of the Henry All-Weather include outstanding reliability, extremely smooth cycling compared to many lever-action competitors, excellent corrosion resistance that makes it ideal for coastal, wet, or cold environments, and strong practical accuracy for woods and brush hunting inside typical lever gun distances. Recoil is manageable in most calibers. The balance is excellent for quick shots, and Henry's build quality and customer support are widely praised. Additionally, its classic lever-action design keeps it legal in many regions with restrictions on semi-automatic or magazine-fed rifles. However, there are drawbacks, as the lever-action platform limits effective range and long-distance precision compared to modern bolt-action rifles, and the tubular magazine is slower to reload than detachable magazines. Mounting optics, while possible, is not as straightforward as on contemporary rifles with integrated rails, and ammunition choices for traditional lever calibers can be heavier and more expensive. Another con is that the rifle, while durable, is not lightweight, and the synthetic stock lacks adjustability. The price of the Henry all-weather lever action typically ranges from about $850 to $1,900, depending on caliber and retailer. Overall, the Henry all-weather is an excellent choice for hunters and traditionalists who want classic lever-action performance with modern durability, prioritizing reliability, weather resistance, and handling over long-range capability and modular features. If they laughed at these tiny rifles and then watched deer drop on the spot, smash like, subscribe, and comment which small rifle proved the biggest point today. We expose underestimated gear, real hunting results, and why size doesn't mean weakness in the field. More truth-telling hunting content coming soon.